Hey kiddos, it's Mrs. O. I am using a Friends Clever account so I can show you guys how to get logged on to Schoology and how to easily find the Zoom links for your track A session or your track B session. So what you're going to do is you're going to get logged on to Clever. You log on and some of your resources on the top will be different. Some of you guys will have the same one. Remember, you're going to look for the app that has the S, which is Schoology. Here it is. Put a heart on it because when you put a heart on it, it goes to the top. So you don't have to scroll through every time. It goes automatically to the top. So when you look for Clever or when you get on Clever and look for it, it's right there for you. Okay? So when you're done, click on Schoology and it's going to take you to recent activity right here. Okay, it's going to take you to the recent activity. That's the stuff that I recently posted, I recently shared, different things I'm doing to our Schoology page. You can find that here. Okay, don't worry about it too much. What I want you guys to go to is up here, the first one, the first white word right here says courses. I want you to click on courses and you only see two. Pick the one that has my picture or my Bitmoji, and it sends you here. Okay, that's a little welcome I have for my Bitmoji class. That's there for you guys. Sometimes that's going to be there, sometimes that's not. Don't worry about it too much. Um, and here are the Zoom links. This is for track A. If I told you your orange team, this is where you go for our Zoom meetings. If I told you your green team, this is where you go. So when you're ready to get on Zoom, if you're track A, you'll go to Clever, get onto Schoology, go to Courses, and click Mrs. Ordonez, and then click Zoom A. That should take you directly to our Zoom link and that should take you directly to our meeting. You do the same thing for B, just instead of clicking A, you will click session B. Okay, I hope this helped you guys out. This is so much easier than going through your email and having to find the link that I sent you because I think when I update things in Schoology, it sends you an email. Don't worry about those. It's just me updating things in Schoology. So that email with the link will get lost. This is just an easier way to find the Zoom links. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please message me on Dojo. Thanks, guys.